Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create the Christmas gifting kit. Holiday gifting just got easier with the Christmas gifting kit. With this fun kit, you get 9 tags, which also double as gift card holders. I'm going to leave these finished tags on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your tags. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video, linked in the description below. I like to sort my projects before I get started. That way I know which parts and pieces go with which project. So now that we're set up for success, let's get started. I prefer to do my stamping next. Stamp before you stick. Stamping can be intimidating at first, but don't worry, we've got this. We'll need our block, stamp set, and ink spot. Place your desired stamp on your block, open your ink spot, and we're good to go. For this kit, you'll be stamping sentiments on labels. For a clear image, you'll want to ink your stamp well. All it takes is a few good taps across the entire image. If you want to practice first, go ahead and stamp a time or two on your chipboard. When you're ready to stamp, ink your image, line it up, and press down firmly and evenly. What's great about these photopolymer stamps is you can see where you're stamping. And there you go. When you're done stamping, just grab a wet cloth, paper towel, or baby wipe to clean your stamp, and put it back on your stamp sheet. For more tips on stamping, check out our How to Stamp video linked in the description. Now that we've stamped everything, we're ready to assemble our tags. As we make these tags, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause and rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. These oversized tags offer a variety of colors, patterns, and beautiful black foil to give you a nice modern look. Look at these adorable tags. Now, our tags may not look exactly the same, and that's okay. Your personal touch and creativity is what makes them special. I'm excited to use this kit for lots of my Christmas gifting. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Enjoy!